Clients get confused between rapid charging and fast charging. Fast charging AC is up to sort of 22 kilowatt. 44 kilowatts and above is normally rapid charging. But when you go from AC to DC, then that's when the costs escalate massively. They're normally tenfold increase in price. So if your AC box is 1,000, there'll be 10,000. The reason for that is the amount of power electronics in there to convert AC into DC, and also the heat dissipation and the fans required in the cooling systems. So DC charging is very, very specific, normally only for fleet operators, taxi operators, bus operators, businesses who it's time critical to be in and out with 20 minutes or half an hour or an hour and be full again. So for a lot of businesses who go, look, I want a load of rapid chargers, what they probably want is a load of fast chargers. If their vehicle is going to be there for 7-8 hours a day, they do not need a 15,000-20,000 pound box. And also the network connections, the amount of power required for those boxes is a lot bigger than a normal AC charger. So there is a difference in it. Mainly it's the power electronics, the amount of research and development's gone into that box, and also you do need civils works, you need concrete pads, barriers, etc. So it does get a little bit more expensive. You find a lot of times the manufacturer will do the maintenance in-house. So because the units are so expensive, and it is business critical, they're operational as much as they can, they normally find that Siemens, for example, will do, ABB will do all their maintenance in-house. They won't give it to third parties like ourselves. So what we'll do is we'll arrange the maintenance contracts for the client and pass it on to someone like ABB. That way you're guaranteed that if anything goes wrong, it's an ABB engineer who can fix it or they can redress it. So those DC units, I mean, I think some people look at the business models about 10-year life cycle and it's well maintained. Again, it's, a lot of it comes down to maintenance. Same with Nottingham City Council. Yearly we go and inspect their equipment, and sometimes we find that just the ends of guns or cables are coming loose, and if you maintain them well, they should last well. These things aren't meant to last forever and they use a lot of power, so regular maintenance is quite key to making sure that DC chargers are online as long as they can be. Many requirements for new points of connections, or POCs will be known as, but if you simply don't have enough power on a site, your only option is to get the network operator, which in East and West Midlands and down to Cornwall is Western Power Distribution. They're the only people who can put more power into your site. So if it's quite specific, some of the bus infrastructure we do will require new points of connection. They can be expensive. It all depends on where the nearest point of connection is. So sometimes it's best to get advice from planners at distribution network operators such as Western Power to advise where your nearest point of connection is, and then you can work out your civils costs, because the further away it is, the more it's going to cost you.